Hello, this is lecture 3 by Ramanjan sir. In continuation of lecture 2, two problems, third problem, fourth problem we discussed, whereas now the fifth problem, problem 5, it was asked in 2016-17, 2 times it was asked. The problem is now solve dx by dt minus 5x minus y is equal to 0. Next, dy by dt minus y plus 4x is equal to 0. Right, the fifth problem. So here, find out the x and y values. Solution. Given dx minus 5x minus y is equal to 0. Second equation is 4x plus dy minus y is equal to 0. This implies x variables common, d minus 1 of x minus y is equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. Second equation is 4x as y is common in these two terms, so that plus d minus 1 of y is equal to 0 is the second equation. So let us have to eliminate the y term at first, so that first equation can be y term eliminate. First equation can multiply d minus 1 and the second equation can multiply by minus 1. So the first equation by d minus 1 implies d minus 1 this is first equation is d minus 5. So d minus 1 into d minus 5 of x minus d minus 1 into y is equal to 0. So second equation can multiply by 1 because d minus 1 is here, 1 is here. Signs to be opposite signs. Anyhow, multiply by 1 is 4x plus d minus 1 into y is equal to 0. As the same signs are there for y, so that we have to add. So here x is common, so that d minus 1 to d minus 5 is d square minus 6d plus 5 of x, and this is plus 4x. These two terms are to be cancelled, is equal to 0. Implies d square minus 6d, this is plus 5x and the plus 4x plus 9 as d is x is common is equal to 0. So take this equation as 3. The AE is m square minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0, implies m minus 3 whole square is equal to 0, implies m is equal to 3 comma 3. So that x variable is now x is equal to c1 plus, as the roots are equal, c1 plus c2t into e to the power of 3t. Right. Take this is as equation 4. So x value is now equation 4. Put in 1 to find y value. Put in 1. What is one equation now? D minus 5 of x minus y is equal to 0, implies d minus 5 into x value is c1 plus c2t into e power 3t minus y is equal to 0. So that this implies y is equal to d minus 5 into c1 plus c2t into e to the power of 3t is equal to differentiation of these two terms, that is d into this and minus 5 into this, so that it will be d of c1 plus c2t into e power 3t minus 5 into c1 plus c2t into e power 3t. A separate d of this term minus 5 into the same term is equal to, you can differentiate by this is as UV method, is equal to c1 plus c2t is constant into e power 3t can be differentiate. It is 3 e power 3t plus, so e power 3t is constant, the bracket can be differentiate, it is c2 e power 3t. Next, this is actually 0 plus, anyhow, minus, here is 5 into c1 plus c2t into e power 3t is equal to, as here is, this is the term and this is the term, in simplification is equal to minus 2 into c1 plus c2t into e power 3t plus c2 e power 3t is equal to, suppose e power 3t is common, e power 3t is common, into this is minus 2c1 plus c2 and this is minus 2c2t. This is all y value. So take this as equation 5. Next, Therefore 4 and 5 gives required solution. Next, sixth problem. Solve dx by dt plus 2x is equal to 3y, comma dy by dt plus 2y is equal to 3x. So this problem is in 2018. Whenever to find the two variables, the problem is to be for 5 marks. The solution: given dx plus 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Next, minus 3x plus dy plus 2y is equal to 0. This implies d plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to 0. Next, minus 3x plus d plus 2 of y is equal to 0. I have to eliminate y term at first in these two equations, so that one can be multiplied by d plus 2, implies d plus 2 whole square of x minus 3 into d plus 2 of y is equal to 0. Second equation can multiply by 3, implies minus 9x plus 3 into d plus 2 of y is equal to 0. As opposite signs are there, these two terms are to be cancelled in subtraction. Add, because same opposite signs are there. Add means now d plus 2 whole square minus 9 of x is equal to 0, implies d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 5 of x is equal to 0, implies d square plus 4d, this is 9, minus 5 of x is equal to 0. The A is m square plus 4m minus 5 is equal to 0, implies m square plus 5m minus m minus 5 is equal to 0, implies m plus 5 as minus 1 is common, m plus 5 is equal to 0, implies m minus 1 into m plus 5 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 comma minus 5. So x is equal to c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t. This is equation 3. Put this value, put in 1. The equation 1 is d plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to 0, implies 3y is equal to d plus 2 into x is equal to d plus 2 into x value can substitute c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t is equal to d of c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t plus 2 into c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t is equal to, differentiation means for first term, c1 e power t minus 5 c2 e power minus 5t plus 2c1 e power t plus 2c2 e power minus 5t is equal to, c1 terms are to be 3c1 e power t minus, here is 3c2 e power minus 5t. As 3 is common, 3 into c1 e power t minus c2 e power minus 5t. It is all 3y is equal to, implies y is equal to c1 e power t minus c2 e power minus 5t. This is equation 4. See that 3 and 4 gives a required solution. Right. In continuation, 7th problem. Solve dx by dt is equal to 3x plus 2y, comma dy by dt plus 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. So take this problem to homework, and its answer is to be x is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t, y is equal to 1 by 2 into c2 minus 3c1 of cos t minus 3c2 plus c1 into sin t. So take one more problem in 7. Second problem is solve dx by dt is equal to x plus y, comma dy by dt is equal to 4x minus 2y. So take this problem also to be for homework, and its solutions or answer is to be x is equal to c1 e power minus 3t plus c2 e power 2t. Next, y is equal to minus 4c1 e power minus 3t plus c2 e power 2t. This problem is asked in 2019. So solve these two problems carefully. That two variables need to find in these problems. Take the terms are to be all left side and can be easy to solve. Thank you very much. We will see the same problems in the next class also. Thank you.